Video review and unboxing of the eufy HomeVac H11. So I bought this off of Amazon for $67 Canadian shipped. It comes in this box, which is quite minimal, and on the back here is kind of explaining to you what's the ideal use case. Battery lasts about 20 minutes on one charge. It did win a Red Dot Winner Design Award. So inside there is a manual which states that you get 2 years of warranty if you bought it brand new and 3 months if you bought it refurbished. There is the main unit itself, as well as a micro USB charging cable, which is kind of disappointing. And of course, there is a accessory which is the nozzle attachment, so you can attach this to get more suction power and be more precise. It does also have a brush at the end that you can slide on and off to get into different types of surfaces. Looking at the unit, you can sort of tell why they won that design award. It's very sleek and minimal, very akin to Apple design. Here's the micro USB charging port as well as the exhaust vent behind it. There is a power button which has 3 LED indicators at the front. Here is the main suction area. You can twist off the nozzle and you will get access to the filter. I'm not sure if this is a reusable filter. I'm guessing it is. So if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It really helps me out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. This a go and give it a test. Just keep your volume down because you're going to hear the actual audio of me vacuuming coming up in about 5 seconds, which it is quite loud. This is not really meant for the floor, but I'm just going to give it a test here. Unit has 3 LED indicators at the front, which are not the power level. They're actually battery indicators. There's only one power level, so it's either on or off. So because of the cap on the bottom, you can actually stand it up and it's kind of sort of like an art piece. But there's no way to attach this nozzle anywhere onto the physical unit. So it's kind of like a missed opportunity here because this nozzle just kind of seems out of place. The volume is decreased here for your sake, but it does work pretty well just cleaning up computer desks. Of course, you can add the attachment, which do increase the power, but this slider here, it's kind of finicky. Sometimes it kind of slides down, so you need to readjust. But the brush is very good for picking up little fine dirt and dust. Much better than the air compressor because with the air compressor, you're just blowing dust everywhere. You can also use it on the screen. Using it on the computer screen seems fine. Doesn't really seem to leave any scratches. Disregard the scratch in the middle of the screen here. That's from something else. And of course, you can use it on your keyboard. But I kind of wish they included a smaller attachment because it's kind of hard to get into the nooks and crannies with this huge nozzle. But otherwise it's pretty well designed unit. I'm pretty happy with the suction power it provides overall. Another use case would be to just keep this thing in the car. You can like pick up dust and little fine particles that might get into the grooves of the car. So I did a deep clean of my car and it does work quite well. The runtime of one charge is about 20 minutes, which is sort of enough for you to get through one section, but you do have to charge it pretty frequently if your car is quite messy. It does have more trouble picking up the bigger stuff, like here, you can see. Finally, in terms of cleaning it, you just pop this off. It's a little twist nozzle, and then you can remove the filter that's included. I'm not sure if they sell replacement filters, but I know these type of filters from other type of vacuums, and you just kind of gotta get rid of the dust from the inside, dump it out. You can also wash it with water, and then you can reuse them again.
So I just received this on December 5th. It's the very first time I used it. I used it to vacuum my car. I was charging for 3 hours and it completely died. I didn't even get to finish my car. Only did the two spots in the back and the passenger seat. I didn't even get to do the driver's side, and it already completely died. I like the concept of it. It's really like lightweight, easy, very easy to use, very easy to clean. I just rinsed out the filter and stuff. And yeah, I don't like that it dies very fast. I don't like that. It doesn't pick up as much because of the fact that the filter is on the top. And so you have to constantly be emptying out. Like I said, I charged it for almost 3 hours and it literally died within 20 minutes. So I really would want a better vacuum. But as far as the design goes and the actual vacuum, it's not as promised.
Pegué un poquito de semillas de chía. Vamos a ver.
And eco, which makes it very strong whenever you need to really get up like pet hair or anything along those lines inside of your car. But where this really stands out, like I said before, is the fact that this is made for your car and charging inside of your car. So inside of the box, whenever you get this, you're going to get a USB-C to USB-C cable and a USB-C input so you can charge this directly from your car. Now, obviously you can charge this inside, but the fact that they really took into consideration that
you can see that all the 3 lights are on, but the vacuum would not start. And this has happened twice now. In a matter of I don't know, hardly a month and a half or so.
Get all the pieces. Wow.